segment today. So surely we'll go across to Shishi Joshipura, who is the CEO and MD of the company. So let's go across to him and have a chat with him about the numbers. So Shishir, thank you so much for joining on the show. Could you start by taking us through the order book trends? It seems like it's a robust order book growth in the quarter gone by for the company. What are the key trends in the quarter two that you're seeing?
Yes, as you can see, over the last 6 quarters, we have been gradually building our growth story, and this quarter was no exception. Very strong quarter on order booking, very clearly visible from the fact that we have, as a country, now feed up the feedstocks on the ethanol side. So starchy feedstocks are beginning to play a big role. We saw an order book in excess of 500 crores coming out of our bioenergy business. Our other businesses also, especially on the engineering side, have started to develop well. Our high purity business is also doing very strong at the back of the whole shift to pharma manufacturing capex. So overall, we saw a growth driven, something that has happened over a period of time, something that we were expecting to happen, for which we had positioned ourselves, and that's what is visible in the results.
Right. But, could you tell us a bit more about what is currently blending levels and, the trend that you expect going forward over here? And, the government has also brought forward its ethanol blending target as well of 20%. So what does this actually mean for the sector going forward as well?
Yes, so as you are aware that government brought forward the EBP 20 program to 2025. What it essentially means is that from the beginning of this year, we need to create something like 1,000 crore liters of ethanol production capacity in the country to meet the EBP 20 target in 2025. This 1,000 crore liters of additional capacity is going to be created from a slew of feedstocks, not only limited to sugary feedstocks, but also starchy and cellulosic feedstocks. And that's the momentum build that we have seen right now as we move forward. In this quarter itself, almost 118 crore liters worth of capacities got finalized. So that's what the order in the country. That's what all the orders put together represent as a capacity terms. Now this follows an equally robust quarter one, which was also a very similar number at about 130 crore liters. So we have seen a strong movement created in terms of ethanol capacity creation. We are also seeing that ethanol capacity is now getting created across the country and not limited to 3 states of UP, Maharashtra and Karnataka, as was the case earlier because of the availability of feedstock. The starchy feedstock availability being pan-India, we are.
Right. And, if you could tell us a bit more about how you're mitigating the cost inflation that we've seen coming in. We have seen a significant uptick in the inflation across all categories. So, what is the strategy there now?
Raw material price increase is as I say, is literally a daily phenomenon now. We wake up in the morning to find out what's the new price today. Raw material prices have really been accelerating over the last 6 months, and there doesn't appear to be any let up on that part. So very clearly that poses a challenge. We have, and we understand that that's an external challenge to which we need to find a way to mitigate. So we have asked several questions, and we are doing multiple things internally as well. We are putting to what I would call as the real-time cost model for when we go to order finalization. We are shifting to advanced procurement of raw material, and so our planning exercise have changed.
Okay, and with that, we are going to slip into a short break. But thank you so much for tuning in